Is Doge going to fall lower? Well, it kind of looks like it might, and that's something I want to talk about right now today. What we're looking at here is the daily chart for Doge, and you can see since January, the 1st of January, we have been ranging in this level of about 0.075 to 0.085 roughly. And we were back at that level back in November as it was making some ups and downs and eventually went to a higher high up to 0.1 back in December. But we have definitely been in this range right here with Doge lately. And if other coins are any indication, and they may not be, to be 100% honest with you, but we're seeing downward pressure. Let me zoom back in, then we'll zoom out. We're seeing downward pressure not only in Doge. You see this trend line going down. You could even draw this if you wanted to, and also, not that, also gives your eye something to work out. See that right there? Okay, so there's no denying that since December 11th, we have been in a downward channel for Doge. Now, that's not in itself particularly a problem because we had a magnificent run up in Doge. We had a magnificent run up in crypto. So everything is looking fine long term, I believe. But you have to look at what's going on now. You cannot deny this channel. My feeling is that we're going to eventually hit this 0.75. Now, maybe the market does not give that up. Doge has been holding up a little better than some of the other coins in January. That's glass half full thing. The glass half empty thing is it's holding up better than some of the other coins in January because it just didn't make the same highs in December. Okay. And what I mean by that is we were sitting around 0.06, let's say in October. Okay. And it didn't double, right? It did not double. Whereas ADA doubled 2.5 times from its low down here on 0.25. It easily doubled, almost went 2.5 times up to 0.68. VET, 2.5 times. Solana, well, it's a crazy coin. It went up 5 or 6 times. Avalanche went up 4 and 5 times. So we've got these coins that went up a good bit. Let's see. Yep. DOT went 2.5 times. So they're giving back more of their gains than Doge is right now, just because they went higher and had more of a percentage increase. So again, glass half empty, glass half full. We may not experience such a dramatic drop down in Doge, and it seems to be ranging well. But my concern is that until we can break out of the top of this channel, right? And then it's not even the top of the channel you have to worry about. It's the next level of resistance. So until we can break out of this channel, which is right now about 0.083, 82, 85, and get above the next level of resistance, then we're not going to be able to move higher. And if other coins are any indication, this downtrend is across all coins, not all, many coins. And we have to wrestle with the fact that that's just the nature of where we are in the market right now. ADA has a downtrend. VET has got its downtrend. Solana even has a downtrend that it's trying to break out of. It did yesterday, but came back inside it today. Just did a video on Avalanche. It's got the same situation as Doge. DOT's got its downtrend. So we're kind of patiently and slowly falling in crypto. Now, we're not seeing these big red drop your pants red bars, okay? Crypto is not in trouble. Crypto is not falling. No, none of that nonsense. This is a gradual, natural breathing in and out of the market across crypto. The problem is, not really a problem, but the fact is, that's probably a better way of saying it, is that it's naturally pushing us down right now, and we're not grinding higher. Look, come on, right? It's really hard to complain about that. It's hard to complain about that move. It's hard to complain about that move. If you're just looking for your coins to go higher 100% of the time, it's just not going to. I would not want to give up this 0.75 in Doge. That would just look nasty. That would be kind of a shoulder here, a head here, maybe another shoulder here, and then falling. I don't want to see us enter this area, and I'm not sure that we will. We'll just have to see what Bitcoin and the other coins do right now. I do not want to see us enter 0.7075, but right now, until then, there's really no fear. We're just having to deal with the downward trend of the market, giving up gains, breathing in and out, retracement or correction, either way you want to say it. I did zoom out on Doge, and I did see also this. It's kind of a downward trending pattern that we have since back in November of 2022, where you can see these lower highs and lower lows. Well, we popped out of that and during this run in December, but unfortunately we dropped back in it. That's what this blue line here was as well, right here. Okay, so we've got several things that we're contending with in Doge that we have to deal with before we can make higher highs. We've got to get out of this trend line, out of this channel. We've got to break above that monthly or weekly trend line, and then we've got to break above 0.087. That's a lot of things to get through, and right now I just don't see the momentum to do it. I really don't. Unless Bitcoin does us something kind of funny and gets us back above 45,000, I just don't see the momentum for Doge to go extremely higher right now. And even there, you have to worry about this. My guess is, this is just my guess, that we're going to see 40,000. I'm pretty confident we're going to see 40,000 before we see 48,000 again. That's just what I think. And so if that happens, I just don't see I don't see the impetus for Doge to do that. Now, right now anyway, we might have to wait for things to line up and find a stronger foundation before Doge can break that. It's got so many things it needs to break. So short term, just to be honest with you, short term, I think we're going to continue to grind down lower. Doge has been kind of grinding sideways. It's just a mess out there in crypto right now. Right now, all you can do is practice patience. I wouldn't trade anything off of this. There's no way I would trade short term right now in any crypto, any major crypto, because we've just got no movement. We're just grinding. We're just sitting there. Trade level to level. Let's see what happens if we get down to this level. Let's see what happens if we can break this level. Right now, we just got to wait and be patient for Doge. I don't see any big moves either way. I think we're just going to grind lower, and especially if Bitcoin does. So we'll watch the price action together. Come back and I'll keep you updated on Doge. All right, y'all take care. Be safe out there. Be careful.